Did you know that you can increase your views and subscriber in YouTube? Here is my channel, a week before I use Promote. I have good videos, voiceover, and good thumbnails, but my channel doesn't got enough subscribers and views. Because there are a lot of videos and vloggers out there. Until I tried YouTube Promote. I tried it with one of my video, and I noticed my view and subscribers increase. So I decided to use Promote for 1 week. I choose all the best videos I have. After a week, here is my subscribers and followers. I got 100 subscribers every day. If you're having the same struggle with your channel, maybe you should try to use Promote. How to use Promote? Go to YouTube Studio. Click Content. In the upper right end, you will see Promotion tab. Click the Promotion tab. Choose New Promotion. Add the video that you want to promote. Click Next. Choose the target country where you want your video to be viewed. Click Next. Enter the amount and date of promotion. 600 pesos or $10 is the minimum amount cost of promotion. Wait until your video promotion is approved. You can pay using PayPal, GCash, debit, or credit card. But I chose manual payment so that I have control to the amount that I want to spend. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have questions, just leave a comment and please don't forget to subscribe.